How to remove someone from best friends list without removing from friends on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy trick on how to remove someone from your best friends list on Snapchat without actually removing them from your friends list. If you've ever gotten someone on your best friends list who you don't want there anymore, but you still want to keep them as a friend, this tutorial is for you. First, open your Snapchat app and swipe right to go to your friends screen, where you will see all of your conversation and best friends list. Now, take a look at your best friends list. You'll see a group of people who you interact with most on Snapchat, marked with a simply smile like this over here. Now, if you're looking to remove someone from that list, go ahead and find that. Now let's remove this. Now here's the key. Snapchat determines who's on your best friends list based on how much you interact with them. So to remove someone from your best friends list, you need to start sending snaps to other people more frequently. The more you interact with others, the more Snapchat will update your best friends list. At the same time, you should reduce the number of snaps you send to the person you want to remove from your best friends list. If you stop sending the snaps, Snapchat will eventually push them down the list. Now you'll just need to wait a little bit. It might take a few hours a day for Snapchat to update your best friends list based on your new activity. Once enough time has passed, check your best friends list again. The person you were trying to remove should now be gone from the top spot. And that's it. Now you know how to remove someone from your best friends list on Snapchat without unfriending them.